Hi, I'm Freda Sanders. Welcome to my channel, where I talk about real estate, tips, information. Let's talk about 5 things you can do to prepare for your open house. Let's begin. Today we're going to talk about preparing for an open house, particularly if you are the person selling the home. Number 1, the home should be clean. The inside, the outside, all around, you want to make a great first impression. Number 2, remove the clutter. Most homes have a lot of things they've collected over the years. Now's a great time to put things in boxes. Now's a great time to start packing. It's a great time to put things in the garage if necessary. Remove the clutter so that the potential buyer can see the home, can see from a corner to corner. Number 3, paint. This is a great time to freshen up the walls, to touch up any areas that may have, and make it more neutral. So a paint team can freshen up the look of a home to make it more updated. Number 4 is staging. Staging is where you style and or furnish the property to enhance its best features to make it more attractive to buyers. Lastly, what you want to do is depersonalize. You may have a wall of photos or a case full of trophies, or perhaps a dog bed in every room. You want to make it easy for the potential buyer to visualize themselves living in the home. So now's a great time to start downsizing some of those personal items, perhaps in a box, or put them away temporarily in preparation of your next move. On the day of the open house, as part of depersonalizing, means to also, for the owner, it's suggested not be present. Potential buyers feel much more comfortable looking around and visualizing themselves in a home if the owner is not present. If you have pets, now's a great time to take them for a walk. Recently, I went to an open house. I was viewing the rooms. Very nice house, open, spacious, had a pool. Walked into one of the bedrooms, saw there was liquid on the floor. Thought perhaps it came from the air conditioning. I let the agent present know that there was something on the floor, and to her surprise, she realized the owner's pet had urinated on the floor. No one wants to see that. No one wants to smell it, perhaps step in it. So it's a good idea for both the owner and their pets to not be present during the open house. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.